Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, spend my time.
Hello guys, and welcome back to episode 13 of Vlogmas. So today I have just had a chill day at home. I haven't done that much. I have just done some admin work and the usual. But other than that, I haven't done that much. I haven't done my makeup, and today it was all about having just a chill day before everything. So I can recharge and yeah. But as promised, I'm going to unbox the items that I got yesterday from Loewe and Celine. So I'm going to do that now. And I think the first item we are going to start with is the Celine item, because I don't have the packaging for it. Because here in Norway we don't have any Celine boutiques. We only have a store which sells a little bit of Celine and other brands, and it is at Den and Strøm, which is the only luxury department store here. But yeah, let's unbox it. And the only store that sells Celine here in Norway now currently is Collabs. So they only wrapped it with a tissue paper, but yeah, it was something that I have wanted for a long time. And the item that I got is a scarf, and it is a Celine scarf in black with white letters. I think this one is from the previous collection or something, but it is very cute, and yeah, I really love it. And I also tried it on in the store, and it was the perfect length. I cannot wait to use it. I think it will be very good for winter now. I initially wanted the scarf from Loewe to match my beanie. I didn't think the colors on the scarf matched the beanie very well, so therefore I thought that this one would match it very good, because it is black and white, and I can also use it with basically everything. So therefore I ended up getting this instead, and I'm very happy about it. And I think this is my first actual thing from Celine, other than my Celine sunglasses. That was the first thing that I got yesterday. And now over to something from Loewe. And as you might know, if you have followed my vlogs quite recently, you know that Loewe has opened a store here in Norway finally, and I'm so happy about it. And I really like the store. I think the store has an amazing selection compared to how small it is, because it isn't the biggest Loewe store, but it isn't the smallest either. And I think they have a lot of interesting things, not the basic collection. They have a little bit of rare pieces, for example the new squeeze bag, and they also have the new collection with the animals. I'm so happy with Loewe, and since I want to support the local Loewe store here, I have bought some things quite recently. I bought the Loewe beanie, but yesterday I also went and got something that I have wanted for a long time. And my essay there is just the sweetest guy ever. He gave me chocolates. These are chocolate hearts. Very kind of him. I didn't expect that at all. And I also got another little freebie, a Loewe pencil, where it says Loewe here. Very cute and aesthetic, of course. But the thing that I actually went and got is in this little box. So if you have followed me for quite some time, you probably know what's inside this one, because I have talked about it for 2 years, I think, or 1 year. But let's open it up. And here is the dust bag. And here you can see the item. I will remove the plastic. But the item that I went and got is this Loewe brooch in gold. It is a very cute and elegant brooch. I tried it on my coat, and it was perfect. And I also plan to use it on my blazer, and you can also use it on a basic scarf or a beanie that isn't with logos, or just on a basic black sweater like this one or something like that. I really like it, and I have seen so many pictures and different ways to style it, so I cannot wait to use it, and it is very cute. And I think the reason why I ended up getting the brooch now is because I tried the Chanel brooch last week, and after I tried the Chanel brooch on my coat, I was just sold. It was something I really liked, how elegant but very classic and minimal it was. This is a little bit larger, but I think the logos aren't that screaming. So I thought about getting a Chanel brooch as well. And it is something that I plan to buy, but for now I think this one is the best alternative. And also the Chanel brooch, I prefer it to be with no stones, so you don't have an issue with the stones falling off. But yeah, that was my purchases, and now I'm going to just edit this vlog, or this sit down vlog video. And that was it for today. I know this isn't a vlog, but I just wanted to have a chill day before everything hits, and also to recharge my batteries. But thank you so much for watching this episode of Vlogmas. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you have a lovely time before Christmas now. I know that this time can be hard for many people. I just wanted to say that you are not alone. I feel that Christmas is a very hard time for me personally. That was it for today, and again, thank you so much for watching this episode of Vlogmas. If you're not done watching yet, here is another video, and goodbye.